Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video. For all subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you guys so much. Today I'm going to show you all how to measure your gele accurately. So sometimes in my videos you hear me saying 80-20, 60-40, 70-30. I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. So if I'm going to go with the measurement of 80-20, here is how I do it. I'm just going to measure the entire width of the gele. At this point, I've exceeded the length of the tape. I'm just going to place my hand where I stopped the measurement, which is at 60 inches, and I'm going to place the tape at that point again and continue measuring. So we have 20.5 inches. 20.5 inches. So if you add this to 60 inches, it will give you 80.5 inches. So here is how I'm going to measure the 20% out of the entire gele. So I'm going to measure 80.5 inches now by 20 all over 100, which is 20% out of 80.5 inches. That will give me about 17 inches. So this 17 inches right now is going to be the 20 part of the gele. Imagine if we were going to tie a round gele. I'm just going to leave 17 inches at the back of my model's head and then take the other part of the gele round the way we normally do it. I hope that you guys understand. So at this point, I'll place the gele on my mannequin like this after folding the edges. So I'm still holding the point where I measured 17 inches, which is that point that I am placing on the ear of my mannequin. So that is where your 17 inches should start, on the ear of your mannequin or on the ear of your model. Moving on, this is how I'm going to make my pleats. I just decided to add this part to the video just for beginners who do not know how to make pleats. So I'm going to place my thumb on top of the gele like this. It's my thumb that would secure the pleats, and then I'm just going to show you guys right now. I'll place my thumb on top of the gele like this on my both hands, and then 2 fingers would be behind the gele. The 2 fingers behind the gele would be the ones to pick the pleats, while the thumb would just secure the pleats by holding it down like this. So if you're a beginner, this is just how you can easily make your pleats. It's not difficult. If you follow what I'm doing, you're definitely going to get it. So this is just how I usually make pleats. Place your thumb on the gele to secure the pleats, while you use 2 fingers at the back to pick the pleats. I'm just going to repeat this again so that you guys can understand better. So like I said before, guys, if I were to make a round gele, the part that I am holding right now will be my 20 inches, which is based on the measurement that I got from the gele, which is 17 inches. So it all depends on the measurement you get from your gele. So the second part that I am holding right now would be my 80 inches, which of course I'm going to bring all over to the front to make pleats and then take it to the back to meet with the 20 part of the gele. I hope that is understood. So let's try another example. If the entire measurement for my gele were to be 85 inches and no longer 80.5 inches, and I want to measure 60 by 40, I'm going to measure it like this: 40 by 85 inches all over 100. That would give me 34 inches. So this is 34 inches, which is going to be the 40 part of the gele. This is usually used when you want to make a double fan gele. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing I did, fold the edges of the gele and then place the 34 inches part of the gele on the ear of the mannequin and then start making my pleats. This is just a beginner friendly tutorial, guys. I don't usually do this whenever I'm tying gele. This is just for those who really do not know how to tie gele at the moment. Those who are just starting, this video is for you. But since I've been doing this for quite some time, I know my way around the gele. In a way, I know how to manipulate to get my measurement easily. Thank you guys for watching this video. If it has been helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section. If you've not turned on your notification button, please do that so that each time I post, you'll be the first to know. Thank you all for watching this video.